Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about something I've just come up with, and it will be available in maybe 6 to 8 weeks time. The Amoracast prong connector. It kind of looks like a bug, and what I do is I flatten it out because I'm going to try to set this pebble of labradorite. And what I do is I flatten it out so that I know, because I know it's quite large, and then I just move the prongs in case it's irregular. In this case, it is perfectly oval, well, fairly oval, but it will actually hold better if it was irregular, say like Beachglass. Then I work at it slowly and move the prongs. And then what you could do afterwards is to trim them, because in this case, this is a little bit thinner and that's a little bit thicker. So we trim it, and I can move it so that I know I'm going to get the perfect setting. And once I'm done with that, and sometimes you could use a metal piece or the side of a pair of pliers to move it this way. And once you have it in place the way you want it, we can take a pair of cutters, trim them, and file them down if you want a point, or if you want them rounded, you can keep them rounded and sand it down. And these two then will connect to jump rings, and you could connect it so that you can make a bracelet or a pendant this way. There you have it.